Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am stuffing two 100 envelope saving challenges. But before I do that, I am going to stuff it with my completed mini savings challenges for the month of March. Okay, so I did have three more that I needed to complete, and I am going to complete those, unstuff them, and add them to my boxes. So, my envelopes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. An additional $50 is going towards a collab that Miss Karen over at Miss Frugal, myself, I have a challenge here. It's a collaboration with Miss Frugal, myself, and Boop and Budgets. So, guys, I owe myself $26 here. And this one is going to be completed as well. So I'm going to add my $26. And this challenge was worth $100. Uh-oh, there we go. So here's an additional $26. And then finally, I am finishing up these plans and budgets, and we need an additional $26 here as well. So now, guys, if you've been following me, you know that after I complete each challenge, I add $1 to my completed challenge box. So there's $1 here, $1 here, and $1 here. Okay, and so I'm going to, at the end of the year, I'm going to see how much is in there. All right, so what I have in here, I will complete my not complete them, okay, but I will stuff those. So guys, this is what I need to do because I don't know how much, or how much I can actually stuff, but hopefully we can get as much in there as possible. What I will do is start with some larger numbers. And so actually, guys, what I may do is I'm going to stuff the large bills only, and then I'll do something else with the smaller bills. So yeah, guys, I am unstuffing the last of the mini savings. And if you've been watching, I've started with 12 savings challenges for this month. I unstuffed the first 6, and now these are a part of the last ones that I am unstuffing. And I meant to say unstuffed. I think I said stuffed. Okay, so I'm pretty excited because the envelopes are small or thin or not big. I'm only going to stuff, the larger numbers. So, and right now I have a 50, some 20s, and let's just see what we can do, okay? Let's do that. So first of all, let me start here because I've been stuffing from the higher number, and I am currently at 94. So 50, 60, 70. Guys, I wonder if I could, just one moment, guys. Okay, let me see if I can just get a few more big bills or not. It's probably not possible. Okay, so at least $40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, and 40. This is my scratch out finder. Okay. So I can stuff as many large numbers as possible. All right, so here's another 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, let's start there. See what we can do. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and stuff 94, 50, 70, 80, 90, and 94. 50, 90, and 94. Okay. So, yay, and 94. Okay, so let's see about 93. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay. There's 93. All right. And 93. What else do I have here? 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's do 92. 90 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Here's 92. Yay! All right. So, let me see. What is this? That's 80. So, yay. So, next time we'll start on 91. Yay! Get out the 90s, okay? Put that to the side. Now, I started up top and then just the 82. So that was random. But let's see about 47 and 48. 45, 6, and 7. Okay. Yep, 47. Uh-oh. There we go. This is why I want to stuff bigger numbers mainly and not a lot of smaller numbers, but it does crease, just not all the way to the top. So it's easier to pull out the money. Okay, so that was 40. Uh-oh, yeah, 47. Where's 48? Oh, there's 48, okay. Okay, 47 is done. Let's see, 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, and 48. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, yay. I'm not rushing, but hopefully I can finish both of the 100 envelope challenges by the middle of the year. So hopefully before June. So here's 48. And let's see what else. So yay, I'm happy with that, guys. I do have a long-term savings book, and one of the challenges is from Nita over at the Almost Organized Owl. So this is what I'm gonna do: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 75, 90, okay, $100. So I'm looking for my calculator. Okay, so we have $100 minus 8 minus 24 minus 17 minus 23 minus 22. Okay. And then I want to see if there's a 6 somewhere. Because the goal is to complete this challenge every quarter or every season, just like Nita designed it. So by the end of March, I would like to have this completed. Yes, there's a 6 here. So let me find an orange. So there we go, guys. That worked out great, okay? Now, I would need to condense, but right now I am going to put this $100 here and keep track that way. Guys, what do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I'm sorry. 20, 23.